Structural assessment is at least for structural issues, infrastructure issues. The roads are passable, the bridges are passable. Right now, at least goods and relief can flow into the affected areas, especially in Davao Oriental from Davao.
Nagbiyahe po kami from Davao City to here. Considering na malakas yung lindol, wala ho masyadong visible na damage. Bakit ho kaya? Despite the two doblet daw ho, dalawang malakas na lindol.
I cannot say.
Pero bakit ho?
I cannot say. Well, awa ng Diyos. Awa ng Diyos. Okay tayo dito.
Okay ho pagkakagawa kaya ng mga structure? Ganun po
It's
ba?
possible or maybe it's also, but we will leave that up to the
Experts.
PhilVox and the expert.
Tama ho ba isipin na dahil handa yung mga tao o sanay na sila sa lindol this part of Mindanao, kaya wala hong masyadong casualties and damage?
Yaban ng Diyos, nagpapasalamat kami na hindi masyado malaki ang damage.
Only